Welcome to Aftermarket, and today's video I will show you how to turn your car looking like a shitbox to $1 million Ferrari by this one simple trick, right? As you can see right now, I got my Mini here. These are the reason why it looks a bit, it looks like Sleepy Joe. And today, by doing this one trick, we're gonna turn it into a Ferrari Enzo by restoring its headlights. So what I have here is a Mother's NuLens headlight restoration kit. Anyone can get this. It's like 60 to 80 bucks at your local auto store. On top of that, you will need a drill. Right? If you don't have a drill, you should question your life, because I questioned my life and I went to bought an Ikea drill. And this costs like 60 to 80 bucks. It depends on what accessories that comes with it. Together with that, a spray bottle with water, because we're gonna wet sand these headlights, and some microfiber towels. Now, this kit actually comes with everything you need. I actually tested this kit before. I restored the headlights on my LDTT, and I restored the headlights on my Holden WL Statesman, and it's looking $1 million. So in this video, I'll show exactly how to actually restore the headlights. Just 10 minutes. By doing this, you add additional $1,000 value on your car, take better pictures. You can literally buy a car for a few $1,000s. Do this, you can flip it for additional $1,000. So I don't see why not. Just spend 10 minutes of this, and your car will be looking $1 million. I do apologize for the lighting. There's barely any lighting on my garage, but it's okay. So let's get started. So in the box, what do you have? It's a plastic polish kit. Just by doing this, it doesn't actually work, because you actually have to sand off the outer layer first before doing this. So in the kit, what you have your power ball, you have your sanding disc, and you have your drill attachment to attach into your drill. So what you do is that you attach this onto your Ikea drill. You put the sand disc, wet sand disc, and then polish this with the polishing ball, and there you go. Let's get to it. Alright, so you want to start with the grittiest first. So you will start with 800, 1500, and then down to 3000, and afterwards you can polish it. Alright, so put 800 on here. Obviously, in order to not damage the side trim here with the chrome, you'll want to mask this, but I'm a bit lazy now, so we don't have to mask it. We can just go sand it right here. So just spray water on here as well. Craftsman. Alright, so now we have sanded 800 grit, and now we are moving on to 1500, right? It looks shit now, but trust the process. Okay, now we've done 1500 and we are moving to 3000, and this is actually my favorite part because there's a cushion. With 800 and 1500, I feel like the sanding process, like it has a mind on its own, and it's just like moving the way it wants, even though until now it looks like crap. But with 3000 and the polish up, it is going to look brand new. So it's 36 degrees out there. I'm sweating like an Arab at the airport. So like putting a wrench on your burger. Okay, now we'll give it a final wipe down and let's check out the results. Look at that. It's looking way better, right? It is not Sleepy Joe anymore. Now it's a Ferrari Enzo. Right now, it's finally awake. Now, the most important part after polishing your headlights is actually to seal them, and normally I'll seal them with ceramic coatings, but I don't actually have any ceramic coating on hand right now, and I'm just gonna seal it for now with spray sealant until I can get some ceramic coatings on hand. So literally just spray and wipe, and it will last for years to come. Let's check out the final results. Now, as you can see, just 10 minutes of work has paid itself off tenfold, and this car is looking just $1 million. And as you can see, like, it looks amazing, right? Now, if you haven't followed us on Instagram already, do follow us here. I post behind the scenes stuff and things before it gets onto YouTube. So with that being said, I really thank you guys so much for watching from the bottom of my heart. If you like this video, do show us some support by subscribing, and be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.